How to change your name on Facebook without 60 days. Here's a tutorial. Open your Facebook first. Then go to Profile and set Mo Young Want Mo Na name as your nickname. After that, go to Settings. Click Personal and Account Information. Click Name. Click Learn More. Then hanapin Mo Young. Find out way and click Mo Young. After that, scroll down then hanapin Mo Young. Let us know, then click Mo. Here lalagay Mo Young name, na nilagay mo sa nickname, Mo. Then provide ka ang email. Sa baba, then click double quotes, send double quotes that ino need na maglagay sa your documents. After mo send, punter ka ulit sa profile mo and took a screenshot. Then punter ka sa support inbox. Click Mo Young nasa baba ang other. Here lagay mo lang, I need to change my name now. Then click Mo Young add attachment. Ang ilalagay mo rito is Young screenshot mo. Do it 3 times and click send. Then balik ka ulit sa profile mo. Then Sharon nagpalit na